Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do on this episode is talk about the Tangem Ring, and I also want to just share a little bit of extra news regarding Tangem Pay because this is going to be something that you will be able to integrate with Tangem Pay, and I think these two will synergize together quite well. So guys, comment down below whatever questions you have regarding Tangem Pay, perhaps some of their products, or anything crypto related. So I do want to hear from you all. And guys, thank you so much for tuning in once again. So I did a recent video. It's being uploaded right now. And we're talking about Tangem Pay. So what is that? Tangem Pay, what it is a new product where Tangem is partnered with Visa so that you can connect a cold or a self-custodial wallet and you can tap and pay for things using a Visa merchant. Okay, so this is the next phase of crypto, and along with this, what we're going to see is a Tangem Ring. This is coming very soon, and I can only imagine how cool it would be to hold crypto on your ring, right? So obviously your crypto is always held on the blockchain, but in order to sign transactions, in order to be the owner of that crypto, you know, your seed phrase can be held on your ring, which is cool. So let's say you have a Tangem Ring on, okay? And you have your Tangem Visa card. You can go to a coffee shop, pay for your coffee, and the crypto is leaving your ring, right? Like some of the funds are leaving the assets that are held on the private keys. So I think that's cool, right? So guys, comment down below if you think that's a cool idea. I talked about Tangem Pay. Check out that video. I went into as much information as I could without trying to, you know, just chat about whatever or trying to say something that isn't true. So I wanted to make sure everything I said was said in their AMA. But at the end of the day, guys, the Tangem Ring, you can pre-order it right now. Honestly, I have not pre-ordered mine yet. That's because I just haven't gotten my ring size and I still got a little bit of time. But this is something that I will have. I'm going to be wearing it on the channel. It's the only time you're going to see the moose with the ring on, okay? That's just the only way it's going to happen, right? The moose is going to be married to crypto, and that's it. That's going to be his legacy. He's going to die alone. So that's Tangem Ring. Guys, this video is gnarly. It's awesome. So again, shout out whoever made that video. I probably watch it like 9 times a day. Like, and there's not even any reason for it. It's already ingrained in my head. So, but this is the Tangem Ring. If you guys want, head over to the link tree. You guys can pre-order it here. So I've got links for you. Pre-order the Tangem Ring at the top. And yeah, it's a really cool idea. And you have backup cards. So you're going to get the ring. You got to size it out, pre-order the card. I've done videos on it. But you'll be able to tap using the ring with your app when using crypto. And I assume this will be working well with Tangem Pay, which is another product that is coming out. So guys, use code MOOSE, save 10% off your order. So what's really cool about this channel is I can talk about things that I like, that I care about, I'm passionate about, but ultimately I can also have affiliate links and make money off of it. So that is really cool. I don't make a lot right now, but as this channel grows, it's something I'm stoked about. So I've always wanted to have a channel where I talk about products that I like and use. Guys, Tangem wallet. I use it every day. I use it every day. Obviously, I'm not buying things every day with it, but I will be able to with Tangem Pay. I'm gonna have a ring. I'm gonna have the ring. I'm gonna have, man. I'm really impressed with what Tangem's doing. So, you know, if I were to give this product an early score, I would give it probably a 9.4 out of 10, which is high, right? So guys, comment down below. Is the Tangem Ring something you're interested in? You guys could even talk about Tangem Pay a little bit, because I think that is such a big deal where people that understand crypto and understand the importance of self-custodial crypto wallets, where you can finally hold and own your crypto and to pay for things, that's a big deal. So shout out to Tangem for that. I think it's a big deal. Again, guys, head over to the link tree, use up these links. I'm going to build it out even better. That's all we got for you in this one. Comment down below what you want to see in the next episode. Cheers.